Sri Bhagat Singh Koshyari ji, Honorable Governor of Maharashtra, Professor Dr. S.B. Majumdar, Chancellor, Dr. Vidya Yervidkar, Pro Vice Chancellor, Dr. Rajini Gupte, Vice Chancellor, members of the Managing Committee, Board of Management, and Academic Council, Directors of Constituent Institutes, students and parents. I am pleased to deliver my address on the occasion of the 18th convocation ceremony of the Symbiosis International University. I would like to begin by congratulating all the students graduating today from this prestigious institution established by Professor Dr. S.B. Majumdar 50 years ago in 1971. Friends, convocation is an important milestone in the educational journey and is a matter of pride for each person from your parents, faculty to friends. It has become even special as the Institute celebrates glorious Golden Jubilee validated by the immense achievements of its constituents, research centers, and alumni who are contributing to the society. I am proud to note that our country's leadership is relentlessly working towards successfully implementing the NEP 2020. Our higher education institutions like Symbiosis must work and commit towards making NEP 2020 a great success. I assure you that this will be one of your greatest investments for India's future. Dear students, always remember that as the alumni of this great institution, you have all the potential and intellectual strength to contribute to the forward march of India and show that India's youth has now decided to commit themselves to its universal growth. The National Education Policy 2020 will transform our education landscape and aspire for the competence and skills required in the 21st century. Providing universal access to quality education is the key to the India's continued ascent and leadership on the global stage. I am pleased to know that the Symbiosis University attracts a large number of students from around 85 countries across the globe. This diversity of culture, language, history, and geographical learning will play a significant role in teaching the students to become better citizens. I commend Symbiosis for establishing the Baba Saheb Ambedkar Memorial and Museum and for the work undertaken at the multidisciplinary centers for waste resource management, nanoscience and nanotechnology, artificial intelligence, emotional well-being, advanced legal studies and behavioral studies. Friends, although we are scaling new heights in many spheres of development and prosperity, we still have a long journey ahead of us. We don't have the luxury of complacent about our achievements, and I am confident that with the vision of our present leadership, we will continue to set new benchmarks for the world to follow. My dear friends, consider this day as your second birth. From here on, how you utilize the second birth is in your hands, but remain assured that the able faculty of this institution and the relentless support of your family and friends has fully equipped you to take on any challenges that lies ahead. I once again congratulate all the students who have successfully graduated in their respective academic disciplines and wish them the best in their future endeavors. Thank you, friends.